Hello guys, hi no hi lam chog norok no ani o YouTube channel lo. Ke tin ba hi no hi nong bagi ti fika. Kokborok kokthai tu English sentence translation. Ke sin tin o translation no tongo. Patient tai doctor ni conversation. Ke faidi o video ti sing saimala nai kaisa patient doctor no tamu honi kok sai man. English Bai faidi kaisa kaisa ke nai nalayanu. Ke sing puilawon sanai sar phung kaham hayake ba sari kaham. Ang Miya horni Simi kolom kawi tongkha. Ani bwsak rok aram naya ngui tongkha. Horo rogo kolom rok kao. Bwsak rok gluio. Bokrok rok bo mihimu. Ingo okono sing English sanai, Sir, good morning. I am having fever since last night. My whole body is feeling unwell. Sometimes fever comes at night, as well as shivering body and headache also. O kokborok wngkha sing doctor bai puila malai furno oba haike sing sai khanaru. Wngkha faidi abon pore next tam topic dong nai. Obon pore wngkha tamo ba wngui tongkha ang kunu chongi se malia. Tamo ba wngkha kisa nai naigradi. Abon sing English hanai what is being happens? I couldn't understand anything. Please check it what happened. Obon pore wngkha sir ani tamo ruk wngkha sawi de mangkha ani o ruk hade hamno ya hamya ano kisa sawi rigrati ngo oba hai kogno sing English sanai sir did you find out what kind of disease is being to me? Can it cure or not? Please say something to me. Obon pore next topic wngkha ang hospital admit da tongnani nangno admit wngya woi bithi pai chake hamglak de angke admit tongna musungya sar ano bithi simi se rewi hodi ngo oba hai kono sing English sanai do I need to be admitted in the hospital? Will I not be cured by taking medicine without being admitted? I don't want to be hospitalized, sir. Just only give me medicine. Hengke tinin jote asukno tomono video na tsang ba like khaidi share khaidi comments khaidi ge sini kokborok kokno awa khaina bagai channel no subscribe khaina ta pukdi belai bekana hambai khulumka